Hello students, welcome to the second video of the lecture series Target HS 2019 Physics. Today we will be discussing on the various topics of the chapter Current Electricity. This is a very scoring and easy to go chapter. Let us get a brief overview of the chapter. Firstly, we need to know the definition of electric current and its types. There are three types of current: steady, variable and alternating. And whenever a question comes on this, do draw the graphical representation to distinguish between the three. Then nextly we have the Ohm's law and its limitations, and also see the differences between the ohmic and non-ohmic conductors. Then we have the resistance, resistivity and conductivity. You need to know the SI unit and dimensions, both the SI unit and dimensions of resistance, resistivity and conductivity. And do not forget to revise numericals on the formula R equal to rho L upon A. That is very, very important. Next we have the drift velocity. Drift velocity is a very important topic. Expression for drift velocity and use of this expression to find the formulas for electric current, current density, resistivity, conductivity and the microscopic Ohm's law. These are very, very important. Then you need to practice numericals on the combination of resistors and the combinations of EMF. Here I need to mention that the mixed combination of EMF is the most important topic, and never ever skip this topic, because series and parallel it is very easy, but mixed one needs some concept. So please go through this in details. Following up, we have the Kirchhoff's laws and its applications to find the current and voltage in a circuit. Practice as much of numericals possible on this. The statement and proof of the Wheatstone bridge principle is the next important topic. It is very, very important, and it generally comes for 2 or 3 marks. Then coming to the applications of Wheatstone bridge, you will get the meter bridge. Numericals on meter bridge is very important. Practice the numericals on meter bridge. Then you have the potentiometer. It is another application of the Wheatstone bridge. And coming to the potentiometer, again potentiometer has two main applications. One is the comparison of your two EMFs, and also the determination of the internal resistance of a cell. So these are the main topics of this chapter. There is nothing more in this chapter. So if you are very much clear with these topics, you will find it very easy to crack this chapter very easily. So that's all for today, this video. Very soon I will be coming with the next video on the third chapter, that is the magnetic effects of current. Thank you.